global football community came together on Saturday to honor Bafana Bafana and Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder Jayden Adams, following reports that the 25-year-old had died earlier that day. Adams was reportedly found dead at the property in Military Road, Skotje-Kloof, Cape Town, on Saturday. The circumstances surrounding his death remain under investigation. Only weeks after representing South Africa at the 2026 FIFA World Cup, Adams was remembered on football's biggest stage as players from England and Norway observed a minute of silence before their quarter-final clash in Miami. The moving tribute was witnessed by more than 65,000 fans inside the stadium and millions of viewers watching around the world, highlighting the profound impact Adams had made during his career. The England national team also paid tribute on social media, writing a moment of silence before kick-off following the tragic passing of South Africa's Jayden Adams. Rest in peace, Jayden. The gesture resonated deeply with South Africans and football supporters across the globe, prompting an outpouring of heartfelt messages from prominent figures. South African comedian and former Daily Show host Trevor Noah described the tribute as touching and wrote, "A touching moment before kick-off, sending love to Jayden Adams' family and loved ones." Veteran television personality Felicia Mabuza Subtle said she was overcome with emotion while watching the tribute and wrote, "Teared up watching this moving moment of silence for Jayden Adams today during the FIFA World Cup match between England and Norway. Over 65,000 in the stadium and millions watching around the world. Gone too soon at 25 years old." Popular American streamer iShowSpeed also joined those paying tribute, pausing his live broadcast to observe a moment of silence after learning of Adams' reported death. From South Africa to United States, tributes have continued to pour in for the talented midfielder, whose sudden death has left teammates, supporters, and the wider football fraternity in mourning. As condolences continue to flood in from across the world, the emotional scenes in Miami served as a powerful reminder that Adams' influence extended far beyond South Africa's borders, ensuring his legacy will be remembered by football fans around the globe. May his soul rest in peace. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.